fairly, fought bravely, and served my people well. Yet, what is a king without a successor? My lineage, my throne, what will become of them?
My lord, destiny unfolds in its own time. Please have trust in Dharma.
O king, there is a way. Perform the Putra Kameshti Yagya, the sacred ritual to obtain offspring. Let us invite sage Rishi Shringi. In the tranquil surroundings of the palace gardens, Rishi Shringi, a revered sage of unimpeachable wisdom, prepared to perform the sacred yagya for the birth of the sons to King Dashrath. The air was filled with the sweet fragrance of burning herbs and the soft chanting of Vedic mantras. As the sage invoked the gods to bless the king with progeny. With hands raised towards the heavens, Rishi Shringi called upon the divine powers to grant the king 4 sons, imbued with courage, wisdom and strength. The fire altar crackled and spat as the sage poured oblations into the sacred flames, symbolizing the purification of the king's desires and the manifestation of his destiny.
अस्माकं पुत्रलाभाय नमामि श्रीशमच्युतं श्रीपते देवदेवेश दीनार्तिहरणाच्युत गोविन्द मे सुतं देहि नमामि त्वां जनार्दन भक्तकामद गोविन्द भक्तं रक्ष शुभप्रद.
Agni, O sacred fire, bearer of our prayers, carry our plea to the gods. May Vishnu himself descend to restore Dharma. O King Dashratha, Lord Vishnu has heard your plea. From the fire, take this divine paisam, distribute it among your queens. Your prayers shall bear fruit. The gods have answered. Kaushalya, Kaikeyi, Sumitra, come forth and partake of this blessing.
He gives half to Kaushalya, a quarter to Kaikeyi, and the remaining quarter to Sumitra, split twice.
O Vishnu, the protector of the universe, the cries of the Devas reach me every day. Ravana's cruelty knows no end. His arrogance shakes even Mount Kailash.
Yes, O Brahma, Ravana's power has grown from your own womb. No god, no demon can destroy him. Only a human born on earth can bring an end to his pride.
Then it is you alone who must take form as a man. Only you can restore peace and protect the innocent.
So be it. I shall descend to earth as Rama, born to King Dashratha. In my human form, I shall uphold Dharma and destroy evil.
Your light shall guide all the beings. O Vishnu, may the world once again know righteousness and love.
And I shall not go alone. My Shakti, Sita, shall be born to accompany me. Together, we shall show the world the true path of duty, devotion and truth. Let the gods rejoice. The age of hope begins again. Let the preparations begin. The time has come for the divine birth in Ayodhya.
आज गली गली
आज पग पग पलक बिछाएंगे, आज सूखे हुए पेड़ फल जाएंगे। नैना भीगे भीगे जाए, कैसे खुशी छुपाए राम आएंगे। कुछ समझ न पाएगा, फूल बिछाए राम आएंगे। नैना भीगे भीगे जाए, कैसे खुशी छुपाए राम आएंगे। कुछ समझ न पाएगा, फूल बिछाए राम आएंगे। आज सर झुके तट मुस्काएंगे, मोर नाचेंगे पपी है आज गाएंगे। आज दसो ये दिशाएं जैसे शगुन मनाए राम आएंगे। नैना भीगे भीगे जाए, कैसे खुशी छुपाए राम आएंगे। कभी ढोल बजाए, कभी द्वार सजाए राम आएंगे।
Queen Keikei has given birth to a boy too, and Queen Sumitra is blessed with twin boys.
Thus was born Rama, the embodiment of virtue, the destroyer of evil, and the hope of mankind. Ayodhya glowed not just with lamps, but with the light of divine destiny. The city sang, the people danced, the devas smiled, for in the heart of Ayodhya,
मेरी चौखट पे चल के आज चारों धाम आए हैं। बजाओ ढोल स्वागत में, मेरे घर राम आए हैं। कथा शबरी की जैसे जुड़ गई मेरी कहानी से। न रोको आज धोने दो चरण आँखों के पानी से। बहुत खुश हैं मेरे आंसू के प्रभु के नाम आए हैं। बजाओ ढोल स्वागत में, मेरे घर राम आए हैं। तुमको पाके क्या पाया है, सृष्टि के कण कण से पूछो। तुमको खोने का दुख क्या है, कौशल्या के मन से पूछो। द्वार में ये आवाज़े आज इनके बाद जागे। बड़ी लंबी इंतजारी हुई, रघुबर तुम्हारी करुणाई है सवारी। संदेश आज खुशियों के हमारे नाम आए हैं। बजाओ ढोल स्वागत में, मेरे घर राम आए हैं।
Rejoicing, for the time has come. The noble Rama, my son, beloved of the people, is to be crowned the next king. Keikei, my queen, the day has come. Look, Rama shall be crowned tomorrow at dawn.
I am happy, my lord.
Rama is wise and just. He shall be a great king.
जन्नत का मन हर्षाया है, देखो स्वराज्य में आया है, बरसों तुम था है ताप सहा, लौटी अब शीतल छाया है, कर साथ मर्यादा, संसार के पाप को हर उठा कर
Queen Keikei, how can you stay so calmly? Don't you see what is happening?
What is it, Manthara? Speak clearly.
Your son Bharat is away and Dashrath plans to crown Rama. Soon you and Bharat will be cast aside. Kausalya will rule the palace. Wake up!
Rama is like a son to me. He will never treat a son justly.
Foolish queen, power changes men. Secure Bharat's future now or regret forever. Remember the two wounds in Dashratha owes you from long ago. Now is the time to claim them.
What madness is this? Why are you in sorrow? Do you remember the two goats you promised me during the war with the Asuras? I do. Ask anything. I shall grant it. Then listen carefully. Bharat shall be crowned king. And Rama shall be exiled to the forest for 14 years. Keikei, you speak like a demon. Rama is my soul. How can I banish him? You swore on Dharma. A Kshatriya king cannot break his word.
Mother Keikei, father summoned me. Is everything well?
You must leave Ayodhya today and live in exile for 14 years. Bharat shall be the king.
So be it. If this is the father's word and your wish, I shall obey.
Brother, this is unjust. Let me speak to the king. Let me.
No, Lakshman, it is dharma. I go without hatred. Let Bharat rule in peace.
Then I shall come too. My place is with you, in palace or forest.
Sita, the forest is not for a princess.
Then I'll not be a princess. I'll be a hermit's wife. And I shall come too. I cannot live without you, brother.
तू सुख करता विष्णु के अवतारी, कोई सियापति कहे कोई हरि तू शरण दुनिया सारी, भक्तों के बना दो बिगड़ेगा रघुपतुरा घर राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम, रघुपतुरा घर राजा राम पतित पावन राजा राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम सीताराम सीताराम तेरी कृपा अजब है जय श्री राम राजा राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम सीताराम सीताराम तेरी कृपा अजब है जय श्री राम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सम्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम तुम अवधपुरी के राजा हो महाराजा सबके मन के तुझ में धरती में तुम बसते हो तुम कण कण में बसते हो तुम कण कण में जब नाम तेरा बन जाए काम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
You, the pride of Ayodhya, dressed in bark and living in the forest, my heart burns with shame and sorrow. Rise, dear brother, you need not bow before me. I am only fulfilling Father's promise. His word is our law. But I had no part in this. I never wished for this throne. How could Mother Kaikeyi demand such a cruel boon? Brother, Ayodhya is empty without you. The people cry your name every hour. Even the palace walls echo your absence.
Bharat, anger will not change what has been destined. Our father gave his word. I must honor it. To obey one's father is the highest dharma.
Then let me take your place. Let me stay in the forest for 14 years. And you return to Ayodhya to rule. That will fulfill the promise too. No, Bharat. Duty cannot be exchanged. The command was given to me. My path is set, just as yours is, to protect and serve our kingdom.
But how can I sit on the throne that rightfully belongs to you? Every sunrise will remind me of my guilt. I cannot be the king while you live like a hermit in the wild.
You will not rule for yourself, Bharat. Rule in my name. Rule for the people. Protect them as I would. That will be your service to me. Then I will place your padukas upon the throne, and I shall govern only as your representative.
In the forest of Panchvati, near the gentle flow of the Ravi, Rama, Sita and Lakshman lived in peace. It was their exile, but it was also a time of serenity and love.
The trees here dance with the wind, Rama. Even exile feels like home with you beside me.
Nature is the greatest teacher, Sita. The palace gave us comfort, but the forest teaches us strength. Yet, danger lurks behind beauty. We must always be vigilant. Surpanakha walking through the forest, coming across Rama and Sita, she is immediately smitten with Rama's beauty.
Ah, what beauty! Who is this prince? I must meet him. Oh, noble prince, you are as handsome as the god of love himself. Who is this lovely lady by your side?
This is my wife Sita. and I am Rama, Prince of Ayodhya.
Oh, Rama, you are indeed a worthy husband for a goddess like Sita. But tell me, don't you think I would be a better wife for you? I am a Rakshasi with powers beyond your wildest dreams.
I am already married, dear lady, and I am devoted to my wife.
Fine, but surely your brother here can be persuaded to marry me?
I am only a servant to my brother and his wife, and I am also married to a devoted wife.
You naive humans! You think you can reject me? I'll show you my true form. I will kill Sita, for whom you both are rejecting me.
Lakshman pulls a stick and chops off Surpanakha's nose.
Ah!
I will not forget this humiliation. Rama and his precious Sita will pay for rejecting me. I will go to my brother Ravana and tell him of this insult.
But peace was not to last. In far off Lanka, Ravana, king of demons, burned with desire and revenge. His sister Surpanakha had been insulted by Rama. Now he sought to abduct Sita and sent the demon Marich to deceive.
Look, Rama, a golden deer. Its fur shines like the sun. I have never seen such a creature.
This is no ordinary deer, but if it brings you joy, I shall bring it to you.
Brother, I sense danger. This deer is no gift of nature.
Even if it is a demon, I must confront it. Stay with Sita, Lakshman. Protect her with your lives. Lakshman! Sita! Help me! Ah!
Lakshman, did you hear that? Rama is in danger. Go find him.
No, Mata. My brother told me to stay by your side.
How can you stand here while your brother cries for help? Are you waiting for his death?
Do not say such words, but your command pierces deeper than any arrow. I will go, but draw this Lakshman Rekha, a line of protection. Do not cross it for anyone. Ravana now approached in disguise, for even the mighty trembled before Dharma. He knew he could not cross the line of protection, so he would tempt her from within. Bhiksham Dehi! Bhiksham Dehi! O noble lady, grant alms to a wandering ascetic.
Holy One, please step forward. Accept my offerings.
I cannot. A true Brahmin never enters uninvited. Step forth, Devi. Bound by duty to serve a guest, Sita crossed the line, innocent, unaware. Immature woman, I am Ravana, king of Lanka. I have come to take you as my bride.
You dare touch me. I belong to Rama, pure in heart and soul.
The Lakshman Rekha is broken. The earth tells of a struggle. We must go, brother. We must cross oceans and battle kings. We will find her.
चल के राम पे आए, प्रेम कोई और न जाने, राम से रूठे राम से माने, राम सिया की करुण कहानी, एक है चंदन एक है पानी, राम सिया जय जय राम, राम सिया जय जय राम, राम सिया जय जय राम, राम सिया जय जय हरि अनंत हरि कथा अनंता, कहि सुनहि बहु विधि सब संता, राम रतन धन जो कोई पाए, जीवन भर रामायण गाए, मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, प्रभु सुरस अजर बिहारी, राम सिया जय जय राम, राम सिया जय जय राम, राम सिया जय जय राम, राम सिया जय जय राम.
Your virtues and have come to meet you. I am Hanuman, a humble servant of the gods.
Ah, you must be the mighty Hanuman, son of Vayu. I have heard of your strength and bravery. What brings you to my presence?
I have come to offer my services to you, Lord Rama. I am eager to help you in your quest to rescue Sita.
Your devotion is commendable, Hanuman. I accept your offer. Together we shall work towards rescuing Sita and defeating the forces of evil.
I am honored, Lord Rama. I shall do everything in my power to help you succeed.
I have no doubts about your abilities, Hanuman. Let us begin our journey to Lanka.
As you command, Lord Rama, I shall carry you across the oceans to Lanka.
But how will you carry me, Hanuman? The distance is vast.
Do not worry, Lord Rama. I shall grow in size and strength to carry you safely to Lanka.
I have faith in you, Hanuman. Let us proceed.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तिह लोक उजागर, राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा, महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी, कंचन वरण विराज सुवेशा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा, हाथ वज्र ओ ध्वजा विराजय, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजय, शंकर सुमन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन, विद्यावान गुणीयति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को तुर, प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया, सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा, भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे, राम 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 जय श्री राम, 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 लाय संजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए, रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरते सम भाई, सहस वदन तुम रोजस गावै, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावै, सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिर जपत दीना तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु लील्योताहि मधुर पद जानो प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि चलति लाहि गए अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जयते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे देते राम 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 जय श्री 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 राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे हो तन भाग्य बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लाए तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज समारो आप तीनों लोक हांकते कांपे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा जिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों मुख प्रताप तुम्हारा है परसिद्ध जगत मुझियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे राम 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 जय श्री 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 राम अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे वचना राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुपति पुर जाए जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाए और देवता चित्तन धरई हनुमत से ये सर्व सुख करई संकट हटाए मिटाए सब पीरा जो सुमिरै हनुमत बलवीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई जो शतवार पाठ कर कोई झूठ विबंधी महासुख होई जो या पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा हो या सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा तुलसीदास सदा हरि जय राम की जय नाम हृदय महाडेरा राम 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 जय श्री 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 राम 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 जय श्री
Brothers, today Dharma stands against Adharma. Let every arrow fly with righteousness.
My Lord, our strength is truth, our power is virtue. Ravana's pride shall crumble.
Jai Shri Ram! The forests, the mountains and the seas echo your name. Lead us and victory shall be ours. Ha 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 ha! Rama, you have slain my king, shattered my pride, yet you shall never conquer me. 10 heads bear 10 times the might. Come, face Ravana. Ravan, your arrogance has darkened the world. Dharma alone is eternal. Prepare, for justice shall prevail. With each strike, Ravana's heads rose again. The battle raged like the storm of creation.
My Lord, his navel has his nectar of life, dressed hidden within. Aim the Brahmastra there, only then will his tyranny end.
O Lord Brahma, O guardians of Dharma, bless this arrow to end evil. The mighty Ravana has fallen, yet he was a great scholar, a devotee of Shiva. Let us honor his valor, even as we condemn his pride.
My brother's arrogance led to his ruin, but his knowledge shall remain eternal. Truly, the path of ego ends in darkness, but the path of Dharma shines forever.
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।